Hi guys, today I will go through all camera settings on ULEFONE Note 16 Pro. Firstly, we have to open up camera obviously, and then we can go straight to the gear icon in the top right corner. That will guide us to settings. The first position that we see is a storage path, so this is where our photos are going to be stored after taking them. Volume keying function is how our key will act when we press on it while having the camera app open. We can set it to shutter, volume or zoom. Camera sound is just what it is. We can disable it. I advise to disable it. Save location. We can also change the picture size, the picture quality. We can add a watermark, but I think it's better to not do that. We can also add a time watermark. This one is a bit better, I guess. We can also add a countdown. We can not add, but like set a countdown duration. So a picture is going to be taken like after 10 seconds or 3 seconds. We can also select the composition line, which is something like this, or a grid. So it just makes sure that something is in the center. You can also add level, so you are making sure that your pictures are aligned horizontally perfectly. Now let's go back. We also have something like smile shutter, so if you smile, it's going to take a picture automatically. You don't have to use your fingers. Face attribute detect. Also anti-banding, AI scene recognition. It's supposed to optimize shots, like it recognizes that you're taking let's say their picture, that you're taking a picture of the landscape, let's say, and it's supposed to optimize the shot. I'm not sure, like it doesn't make if it does make a huge difference, but you can just enable it and see it for yourself. And the touch photograph is just when you want to take a picture, you don't have to tap on the shutter icon. You can just tap here. It's going to take a picture also. And at the bottom, of course, we have restore defaults and done. And also we can change something in the video. So let's go back into the settings, and here we can change the resolution and also the white balance. So that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.